It's here! It's finally here! It's
Halloween!
Now I can be my true spooky self.
How is that different from any other day of the year?
Let us prepare for the hauntings of ghosts, monsters, and zombies.
Just as long as I'm not snatched again as a treat.
That was a grave mistake last year. Get it? Grave. You know, that one usually kills.
Ooh, good one.
Oh, the feeling's bittersweet. The pounding of heartbeats. 'Cause it's time for trick or treat.
Happy Halloween!